Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. So in the last videos we have completed the email password authentication, Google sign-in and Facebook authentication. So now in this video we will learn how we can create the GitHub Firebase authentication in our Android application. So first of all we have to connect our project to our Firebase. So here we have to click on the tool and select the Firebase, and then we have to select the authentication tab, and here we have to connect our project using the authentication custom authentication. So here you can see my project is already connected with Firebase because I have already performed the authentications. So I will open my browser and I will open my GitHub account. So here you have to open the github.com and you have to log in your account. So I will click here and open my settings, and here I have to select the developer settings. Okay, now click on the OAuth application, and here you have to create the new OAuth application. I have already created one, but in this video I will create the new one. So just click on new OAuth application, and here I have to give my application name though. So let's say I give Firebase Auth. Login on here I have give the name. So now here I have to give my website name. If you have website name you can give here, otherwise you can give the name, give the link github.com. So here you have to give the description of your application. I just simply give description, this is my test app, and here you have to provide the callback link. So here we have to open our Firebase project that I have already connected. So here we have to click on the sign in method, and here we have to select the GitHub. So just click here, and here you have to provide two things. So first of all we have to click on enable, and here you have to provide this link. You have to copy this link and go to GitHub, and here you have to paste that link. Okay, now click on register application. Okay, so here you have two IDs. First one is client ID and second one you have to client secret. So I will copy the client ID and open my Firebase project, and here I have to paste that API key, and then we have to generate new client secret. So here I will click on the generate new client secret, and here I have to provide my link. So here I will provide my link and confirm password. Okay, so here you can see we have generated the client secret. So here we have to click and copy it and go to project, and here we have to paste. Okay, now click on the save. Okay, so here you have to click on the update application. Okay, perfect. Now we have to open our project. So here we have Android Studio project. We have to open XML code. So let me open my XML code. Here you can see here we have image view for GitHub. So we have to set click listener on this GitHub. So here we have to initialize our button. So image view btn GitHub, and we have to initialize using the find view by ID. So here I will simply initialize it. So now we have to set click listener on this button. So here we have to set click listener. So new on click listener. Okay, for GitHub we have to open another activity. So here I will create another activity for GitHub authentication. So here I will select the activity, empty activity. So here I will create GitHub auth activity and click on the finish. Okay, for GitHub authentication we need an input field to get the email from the user. So we have to design our XML code. So here we have to select this one, and first of all we have to select the background. So here I will select the background black, and here I have selected this one. So now I will select an image view. So let me drag here image view. So here I will select this logo. Okay, now add the constraint. Okay, now we need an input field. So I will open my activity main.xml. So here we have to copy this input fields. So let me click here, and here we have to select this edit text. So I will copy this code, and inside this XML code I will paste that one. Okay, now we have to add the constraint at the bottom of the image view and add a margin little bit from top. Now we need a button, so here I will select this btn login. So I will copy it and open over XML code again, and here we have to paste at the bottom. Okay, now leave it as it is, btn login, and here you can change it into GitHub login. Okay, now add the constraint. So here I will add the constraint like this, and add the top constraint at the bottom of the email, and give a margin little bit from top like this. Okay, now we have to initialize the edit text and button. So here I will open my GitHub auth activity. So here we have to edit text, input email, and btn, sorry for that, button btn login. So we have to initialize both ones. So here I will initialize it, find view by id r.id.btn login. So not its login, so here it's added text, sorry, email. Okay, now btn login equal to find view by id r.id.btn login. Okay, now set click listener on the btn. So here I will set click listener on the btn, and here we have to get the email from the input field. So input email dot get text dot toString, and here we have to check if email is empty or not. So I will copy the pattern of the email. So here we have pattern of the email. I will just simply copy it, and here I will paste, and here I will match this pattern. So if email dot match pattern, so here I will pass this pattern, email pattern. If it is not matched, we have to simply show toast message, or you can set the error to edit text. So here we have to add here like this. If it's not matched, then we have to show the error. So in else condition we have to initialize over authentication. So open your browser, and here we have to search Firebase authentication Android documentation. So here we have to click on the get started with Firebase authentication. For all the authentication you have just follow the documentation. So here you have to click on the GitHub and scroll down. Here you have to add these two dependency. I have already connected my Firebase Connect project with Android Studio, so I haven't need to add these two dependency because I have already added. So here I have to copy this line and just open my Android Studio. So here I will paste that line, and again open browser, and again we have to copy the next line. So I will copy the line and just paste at the bottom. Okay, so here you have to provide your email. So I will remove this line and just pass here email. Okay, next thing that we have to copy this method. So I'll just copy it and open my Android Studio. Okay, so again open browser, and here we have to copy this method. So I will just copy this method and open Android Studio. So at the bottom I will paste that one. Okay, now here we have to press Alt Enter to import it. So here you have to create the Firebase auth instance. So at the top I will create the Firebase instance. So Firebase auth mauth. So we have to initialize this reference. So here I will initialize the reference Firebase auth.get instance. So here we have to pass this Firebase reference. So mauth. Okay, now go to again browser, and here we will copy this line again. Sorry, this method. So open browser, and inside this else condition you have to paste. Okay, like this. and here you have to simply pass the mauth. Okay, so here you have to open the next activity. Here we have error. Let me check the error. So here we have github auth dot this, and here we have to open the next activity. So here we will create the method. So open next activity. Okay, so here we will create the intent equal to new intent, and this is github auth dot this. So next activity is our home activity dot class, and here we have to set the flags. So intent dot set flag, and here we have to pass the intent dot clear task, and intent dot new task, and finally we have to start activity, and here we have to pass the intent, and finally we have to finish. So here we have error. Let me check. Okay, so inside else condition we have to show the error. So here I will show the error. What is the error? So here we have to show the exception e dot get message, and let me check again here, and here you can see here we have again error. So here I will again create a toast message. So e dot get message. Okay, perfect. Our code is almost completed. Okay, GitHub auth activity code is completed. So now we have to open this activity. So inside btn github.set on click listen, we have to open the next activity. So here we will just simply copy this one, and here we have to open the next activity, that is GitHub activity. Okay, so now let's run the application. Okay, our application open. So let's click on this image view GitHub. Here you can see it's open the next activity. Here we have to provide the email. So let's click on this button first. Here you can see enter a proper email. So let's say I type my email now, and here we have to provide the hash @ and click on the GitHub login. Okay, now here you can see our GitHub authentication page is open. So let's click on this authorize my username, and here you can see it's login now, and that's it. Here you can see our home page is open now. So in this way you can perform the GitHub authentication in our Android application using the Firebase. So if you have any question, any problem, let me know in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care.